Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got Lavella Beauty self-care box and this is their May box. So if you're new to Lavella Beauty subscription box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you're just curious and seeing what's inside, then as always you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Lavella Beauty self-care box is a monthly subscription based in the UK and currently they only ship within the UK. The cost of the box is £15 and you can cancel any month, but they also offer a one-off box for £20. Lavella Beauty is a beauty and wellness salon located in Warwickshire, and as well as providing beauty treats for the customers, they have a shop and also they have these subscription boxes. Inside you'll find a mix of skincare, hair care, body care, and in each box there will be a minimum of 5 products, and they say that each box is to help you feel and look your best. So all details and everything related to the subscription, I'll pop it down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening my third box. I love the way it's packaged. Last month we got a little lavender. So cute. Okay. So inside the box we get a card and it details everything about the products and also the prices, so I'm able to tot it up and give you an overall value at the end. So I refer to this as we go along, just to give you a bit of a sneak peek. So I'll go through them one by one. So first up, the smelliest item in the box, and it's wax melts. It smells so nice. This is by Sassy Bee and this is Springtime. A little packet there. I get so excited for candles and wax melts in subscription boxes. Oh, I love them. I am wrecking this packaging now. Never mind. Oh, it just looks like a chocolate bar. Oh, look. Look. It smells so nice. I can't even tell you what it smells like. This wax melt bar is the perfect home fragrance for May. Sassy Bee is a wonderful, eco-friendly small business offering beautiful wax melts. Sassy Bee's sole purpose is to help save our bees by raising awareness about them and their population, which is declining. 5% of their earnings are donated quarterly to charities dedicated to helping save our bees. Snap off a cube and place in the top of your burner, light the tea light and enjoy a wonderful springtime aroma. Snappy bars up to 48-hour burn time. I am so chuffed with that. That is beautiful. How lovely, supporting the bees. Next we've got a product by Sukin and this is cleansing lotion for sensitive skins. A smoothing blend of cucumber, aloe vera and chamomile work to gently nourish and cleanse skin, and there's 125 mils here. This is an Australian brand and I've tried a few of their products in different subscription boxes. I haven't tried their cleansing lotion before, and it says skincare that doesn't cost the earth, and it's all natural. This cleansing lotion works by removing impurities, makeup and excess oils, whilst it soothes and hydrates, leaving your skin feeling clean, soft and nourished. It is ideal for dehydrated and sensitive skins. Massage onto damp skin in a gentle circular motion. Remove a cotton wool or a warm face cloth and pat skin dry. It is water soluble, which makes it ideal to use in the shower. Use once or twice daily, and this product is vegan. So we've got a cleansing lotion. Next we've got a Magnesium Plus post-workout body gel, and this is by the brand Alive, with anti-inflammatory arnica to help revive tired and stressed muscles. 125 mils. Now this is something I have wanted for a while. Not that I do a lot of workouts, I gotta be honest. But my husband does. He's a very keen cyclist. He tries to do at least 100 miles a week or so on his bike. I just think it's something handy, you know, like we have with us anyway. We've got a cupboard and in there it's all like our medicines, tablets, plasters, bandages, things like that. Our first aid sort of cupboard. Having something like this in there, I do think it is fab. You could be like going for a long walk somewhere, having stiff calf muscles or lifting something, I don't know, lifting, doing work in the garden and your shoulders are all stiff. Yeah. It says magnesium helps our body function well and stay healthy. Its chemical structure makes it easy absorbed and work faster. Magnesium is known to relieve stress and stiff muscles, improve joint health and circulation, aid nutrient absorbent and skin hydration, and help our body produce energy. The information on the leaflet just says what I've just read off the back here, but it also says apply a small amount of product onto targeted areas and massage well into skin until the product is completely absorbed. Reapply if needed. I really like that. I think that is a fab item to put in a box. Now in every box that I've had so far anyway, I've always had like a little postcard or a little card, and this says please don't doubt yourself, and this is by the brand Squirrel. So yeah, so it's obviously a monthly thing. I wasn't sure at first. There's no information about it. But yeah, so we've got a card. Next we got a product by Arizer. I think that's how you say it. Arizer Beauty, and this is a dewy glow balm for skin, lips and nails. Vitamin E and rice bran oil, fragrance free, and 25 mils here. I've received this before, and from what I remember, it's quite nice. It's very much like your Dr. Paw type balms, multi-purpose balm. Again, the type of product that goes into my little first aid cupboard. If anyone needs it, if they've got really sore hands, extremely dry or anything like that, then yeah, I got Dr. Paw in there at the moment, and the kids use it. My eldest son really suffers with dry, chapped lips. I'm always making sure that there's lip balms and creams, but he really likes a Dr. Paw, which is similar to this, for his lips. But yeah, it feels nice. Feels nice, so that will be going in my cupboard. Developed as an all-purpose skin and lip balm with UVA and UVB filters for sun protection. It is moisturising, anti-inflammatory, protective and soothing for all skin types. Can be used on skin, lips and nails for protection and hydration. Perfect for general use and adding that dewy glow to your makeup. A little goes a long way, so ensure you apply a small amount for each application, and this product is vegan. It's got a multi-purpose balm. Next we've got an item by Aussie SOS Repair, and this is a treatment shot with Australian lemon myrtle. I'm thinking here, for your hair maybe? I love the packaging. Yeah, it's for your hair. It's a deep conditioning treatment for weak and damaged hair with Australian lemon myrtle. To apply this miraculous treatment onto damp hair to help repair styling damage. Massage gently from mid-lengths to ends. This baby works in an instant, so no need to wait. Rinse thoroughly and you're done. I like the sound of that. And then lastly, we've got some makeup, and this is by Rimmel London, and this is in shade Mossy Magic, and we've got a Magnifies, Intense, Stay True Colour, Long Lasting Wear. We've got an eyeshadow and an eyeliner in one. I've been using these sort of shades as eyeliner underneath my eyes recently. I've got a few by the brand Lock. They used to be in Birchboxes a lot, and yeah, I really like a gorgeous, I'm wearing it now, it's a bronze one, but I just find it's just easy to smoke out for under eye, but it just looks so nice with a little bit of sparkle. So, oh, I love this colour. Oh, I love it. There, can you see? So it's like a very dark browny black, and then it's like a khaki brown. Oh, I really do like that. An excellent combination of creamy shade on one side and a kohl pencil on the other in a single product. This 2-in-1 double pencil with a waterproof and long-lasting composition with which you can create the makeup of your choice. Apply the creamy shade in one go and complete your look with the kohl pencil. It doesn't say, what is this? It might have the shade here. Yeah, I did say the shade. Mossy Magic. So yeah, so it's like a khaki brown sort of shades. Yeah, I really like that. I'm really chuffed with that. So yeah, so those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are all the products inside this month's Lavella Beauty subscription box. The cost of the box is £15. I know I said at the start that they had prices on the leaflet, but they don't. Again, I am really chuffed with it. I am so excited about this subscription box. It feels a little bit different. I love the way they've packaged the box. I like the little leaflet in there as well, telling you about the products. I do think for £15, this is a really lovely box and I'm really excited about it. I don't really know how long it's been running for. I'll try and find out, but I only heard about it a couple of months ago and it's going to be a regular on my YouTube channel. So we've got a multi-purpose balm, we've got a hair conditioning treatment, we've got a cleanser, we've got a little card, we've got a makeup pencil duo, we've got a magnesium body cream, and we've got some wax melts. So a bit of everything, which is always a bonus in my eyes. So no, I'm really chuffed with it. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Lavella Beauty? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this for the first time, wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.